Welcome to Shanghai Zhiyi Trading Company Limited. We have a professional and diverse team, focusing on efficient communication between teams and customers. Our core is innovative development and customer service. The associated factory is located in Shenzhen, Guangdong, equipped with advanced production equipment and an experienced team. It mainly engages in the research and manufacturing of plush toys, plush slippers, children's backpacks, and other products. We strictly control every production process and strive for every product to be a representative of exquisite craftsmanship and high quality, dedicated to providing customers with personalized and unique plush products, helping them shape a unique brand image, and promoting successful business development. We can also provide CPC or CE certificates and test report for you. And they are made by Amazon authorized labs. The geographical location adjacent to Shenzhen allows us to easily access developed logistics networks. We have established stable cooperative relationships with multiple logistics companies, such as DHL, UPS, and FedEx, to ensure that our products can be delivered to various parts of the world in a timely and safe manner. 2 warehouses in Shenzhen and Shanghai make sure that we can prepare and ship out the goods quickly. A fast and reliable logistics system is an important guarantee for us to provide excellent service to customers. Welcome to visit and look forward to working together with you to create a better future.